To change the settings or parameters of a particular channel, call up the channel edit screen for that channel. One way to do this is to press the Select button located at the top of the channel strip. In addition, the M400V mixer also offers the convenience of Touch Select. With Touch Select, simply touch a channel fader to call up its corresponding channel edit screen. To activate Touch Select, press the Touch Select button on the upper left panel. The Touch Select button will illuminate to alert you that Touch Select is active. Touch any of the channel faders and its channel edit screen will appear. Let's select a channel by touching a fader, then adjust its gain. By adjusting the red preamp knob, you will adjust the gain of that channel's preamp, which for this channel assignment is located on the S1608 stage unit. We'll adjust the gate control next. With the Touch Select button lit, we can touch a fader and call up its channel edit screen. Pressing the display button in the gate section calls up a new screen that shows detailed controls of the gate function. Start by toggling the gate button on. The gate tab will glow bright when activated. Turn the threshold knob to adjust the amount of gating that occurs on that channel. The knob and display correspond to the functionality of an analog gate. If you've set the gate where you want it, you can press the display button to escape from the gate screen and return to the channel edit screen. Much like the gate, you can also activate and adjust a compressor. Call up the compressor screen by pressing the display button in the comp section of the panel. Activate the compressor by pressing the button below the Comp On tab. Use the threshold knob to adjust the compressor's threshold value. The compressor also features adjustments for other aspects of compression and limiting. To exit the compressor screen, press the display button and you'll return to the channel edit screen. Next, we can adjust the frequency equalization, or EQ, for a specific channel. Operation is similar to the other effects we've described. Press the display button in the EQ section to call up the EQ display screen. Press the dedicated EQ On button to activate it. The M400V mixer provides color-coded knobs for easy, fast access to the 4 bands of frequency and gain control. The Q knobs offer curve control of the low-mid and high-mid frequency bands. The M400V mixer also offers a library of presets for fast setup of a particular channel's EQ. Let's call one up. Press the Function button below the Library tab to call up the library. Since our audio channel features a kick drum, we'll select the kick preset from the Library menu. Select Preview to sample the effect of the kick preset. Select Recall to apply the kick preset to the EQ for this channel. When you're done with the EQ for this channel, press the display button in the EQ section to return to the channel edit screen. Now let's apply an effect to a channel. We'll use channel 3, which is where the acoustic guitar is assigned. Start by checking the effects summary screen. Press the Effects button located just below the display. 4 internal effects buses are shown on the display. Let's use effect number 3. Notice that the output of effect number 3 is routed to channels 41 and 42. Change your fader layer and move up the faders for channels 41 and 42. Since the acoustic guitar is routed to channel 3, change the fader layer again and make sure fader 3 is up. To add reverb to this acoustic guitar, we'll route it to an aux send. Our effects number 3 is fed from aux send 15, so activate the aux 15 button in the aux send section of the top panel. Increase the aux send level using the level dial. The effects library has convenient presets. We'll use one for the acoustic guitar. Call up the effects screen by pressing the Effects button. Activate the Edit FX3 button. Select the Library tab to view the library menu. Select an effect you think is best and use Preview to check the sound. If you like the result, select Recall to apply the effect. Press the meter button for an overview of the audio levels on all channels. You can save various setups you've made as scenes and recall them later. You can store up to 300 scenes in the vMixer's internal memory. Select the scene number that you want to store all the current settings of the vMixer to. Press the Store button. A confirmation message will appear. Select Store with the corresponding function button. The current status of all your current vMixer settings is now saved. We'll make some fader changes, then recall our stored scene. Press the Recall button and a confirmation screen appears. Select Recall with the function button. The motorized faders will snap back to their previous settings. You can see a list of all scenes that have been stored. Press the Display button in Scene Memory. The list of scenes will appear on the screen. You can select which scene parameters will be recalled by using the Recall filter. On the Global Scope screen, you can select the parameters that you'd like to call back for all of your stored scenes.